Scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams. Introduction. Scheduling meetings is an essential part of effective communication and collaboration in the modern workplace. Microsoft Teams makes this process seamless, offering powerful features for scheduling and managing meetings. Whether you're planning a one-on-one catch-up, a team meeting, or a large webinar, Teams provides the tools you need to schedule, organize, and run your meetings efficiently. This video will walk you through the process of scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams and explore its key features to enhance productivity. Why use Microsoft Teams for scheduling meetings? Microsoft Teams integrates deeply with Microsoft 365, making it the perfect tool for scheduling and managing meetings. It offers several benefits, including real-time collaboration. Easily collaborate with participants before, during, and after meetings. Cross-platform compatibility. Schedule and join meetings from desktop, web, or mobile devices. Integration with Microsoft Outlook. Syncs with your Outlook calendar for centralized scheduling. Customizable meeting options. Control who can present, admit participants, and manage security settings. Step-by-step guide to scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams. 1. Scheduling a meeting from Teams. You can schedule a meeting directly from the Teams app. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the Calendar tab on the left panel. Click on New Meeting in the top right corner. Fill in the meeting details, title, enter a meeting title. Attendees, add the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Date and time, set the meeting's start and end time. Location, choose an online meeting or specify a physical location. Details, add an agenda or additional notes for participants. Click Send, and your meeting invite will be sent to all participants. 2. Scheduling a meeting from Outlook. Microsoft Teams integrates with Outlook, making it easy to schedule a Teams meeting from your Outlook calendar. Open Outlook and go to your calendar. Click on New Teams Meeting found in the toolbar. Enter the meeting details, including the title, attendees, and time. Click Send to share the meeting invite. 3. Using the Teams mobile app. Scheduling on the go is simple with the Teams mobile app. Open the app and tap the Calendar tab. Tap the plus icon to create a new meeting. Fill in the required details and tap Send. Key features for scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams. Meeting options. Customize your meeting by accessing the meeting options. Who can bypass the lobby? Control who can enter the meeting directly without waiting in the lobby. Presenter permissions. Decide who can present during the meeting. Record meetings. Record important meetings for future reference. Recurring meetings for regular team check-ins. You can create recurring meetings. When scheduling a meeting, choose the repeat option. Set the recurrence pattern daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Teams will automatically add the meeting to your calendar at the specified intervals. Integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Teams meetings integrate seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps. SharePoint, access and share files directly in the meeting. OneNote, take notes during the meeting and share them with participants. Planner, assign tasks to attendees and follow up on action items. Best practices for scheduling meetings. Set a clear agenda. Include a meeting agenda in the invitation to help participants prepare. Use time zones wisely. Consider different time zones when scheduling global meetings. Teams shows participants local times to help with this. Limit meeting duration. Keep meetings short and focused to maintain productivity. Test equipment. If you're hosting an important meeting, test your audio, video, and internet connection in advance. Conclusion. Scheduling meetings in Microsoft Teams is easy and efficient, thanks to its rich set of features and seamless integration with Microsoft 365 tools. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can plan and manage your meetings effectively, improving collaboration and productivity. Whether it's a quick chat or a strategic planning session, Microsoft Teams has all the tools you need to stay organized and connected.